My next upload for today is with regard to the role of any recovery groups of sanity and sobriety in the modern day society. My concern at the moment is with regard to individuals that have been intrusive upon a private citizen and that have not respected personal space. And the very fact that these individuals have been of repeat offences is a very serious matter also. So as a recovery advocate and as a qualified professional and as an individual that lives on my own, the culprits assisting displacement, defamation, denigration, debasement, all of these issues that are being caused to accommodate those that are offenders against the state while disrespecting humanitarian work and while disrespecting the field of education and recovery are all huge issues that I'm raising in these uploads that are really, really, really relevant for women and children's rights. So the issue of repeat offenders of the mental health field, practitioners of mental health, doctors that have violated the Hippocratic Oath, people that have avoided and obstructed and perverted justice, people that have been really disrespectful and short-minded and short-sighted about the legislation of recent times, the changes to the country, the debts owed, debt recovery, all of these matters. I have a huge concern about people intruding where they shouldn't be. Strangers, anonymous individuals, faceless individuals intruding upon people. It's really serious, and especially for the guards to be aware of an impact statement or two or three. 2 impact statements. It's really serious that the guards are aware of all of these matters, and I'm still sitting in a 1-bedroom apartment that is substandard, and I'm experiencing poverty, and I'm of property and qualifications, and there are people of hate crime designating and deciding my wealth. Now that's really dangerous for young women, especially when I'm a recovery advocate of, recovery for women in circumstances such as I've experienced over a decade ago. So I hope the guards and the government are really aware of the circumstances of how serious things are when individuals that have been offending against the state and stealing property and belongings and information. I hope the guards and the government know exactly how serious it is that I'm in these circumstances. And for the interest of the humanitarian agencies, it's very dangerous what I've endured. It's very dangerous what my child has endured. So in my hometown of Tralee County, Kerry, where there's been wildlife and nature developments with my sacred live body fragments and other developments that I did not consent to, I hope the guards and the government are aware of the circumstances I'm tolerating. It's very dangerous what's happening to women and children's rights in this situation. And there's a missing child that I'm a mother of. And I'd appreciate the people in this building that have no right to be in my proximity being removed. Royal patronage precedence, and that's just law. So as there's no common law with this situation, I hope the guards and the government know the obligations to be fulfilled. There's a child missing in County Kerry, and there's a home being intruded and trespassed upon. And as for sanity and sobriety, I hope the mental health practitioners are setting a good example.